Oh, hello, beautiful people. I am Kai, the makeup educator. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a brand new subscriber, hi, welcome to the community. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome. Shout out to my Glam and Glory family. Let's hop straight into it. This is another TikTok live upload. I just put some translucent powder on my brow bone. Now I'm going to take my Thorn Shade palette from my brand. I'm going to take shade 26, and you're going to see me packing this color inside of the crease, okay? Packing deposits color and give you the strongest pigmentation. Blending softens color and diffuses it out, all right? So we're going to take shade 26 and we're going to pack it into the crease, all right? We're going to pack it until it get as dark as we would like it, okay? I want it to be pretty dark because when I blend it out, the top part is going to get lighter. It's going to give me an illusion like I have two colors on, not just one. So I'm going to continue to pack, and here I go with the blending process. So I'm blending right on the edge where that line stop at. Once I start blending it out, you're going to see the line kind of diffuse, and that same color is going to turn into a lighter reddish looking color, and that's exactly what we want here. All right, it's looking good. In the next clip, I'm going to be explaining the original audio from the live. So I'll let you guys hear what I'm saying for the next clip, okay? So I'm going to pack this eyeshadow until I like the pigment. I'm packing and shaping. I'm following the shape of my eye. Yes, we in the morning. Now I'm going to blend. What am I blending? This line right here, it just abruptly stopped. So now I want to blend, okay? Blending softens color and diffuses it. So it softens it and it disperses it, make it blow out like this side right here. This side started off just like this side. So check me out. I'm going to use the same brush, but I'm going to change my technique. So the first technique was packing. Slow it down, that's packing. The second technique is blending. I'm going to put my brush right on the line where it stopped at, right there. I'm going to wiggle. Left, right, and then that line gonna diffuse. And look at this, watch this. This is the same. I didn't add nothing else. We're gonna let the brush do the work now. Look at that. They look like a whole nother color. See that? Gonna start diffusing and dispersing. Diffuse, soften, disperse, spread. One brush, one color. We love it here. We love it here, baby. We love it here. One brush, one color. You ain't much gotta work hard. This is change up your technique. That's it. I'm just going back. I'm just tapping right here just to kind of have a better flow. And that's it. All right. Look at that. Look like I used two different things, but I only use one. I only use one color, baby. All right, I'm gonna take some of this pink and put it right here. I'm just doing a natural color today. Just a little soft look today, nothing too much. And this is my Thorn Shade eyeshadow palette. Good morning, everyone. Okay, guys, voiceover Kai is back. So I'm taking this light shade and the shade right underneath it, and I'm putting that on my eyelid. This was a beautiful color combination. It came out so gorgeous. So we're going to take that, we're going to pack that on the eyelid, okay? We're going to pack it on the eyelid, and we're going to pack it until it is full coverage and until we satisfy with the pigment. I wanted a little bit more of the softer pink color, so I went back into that one and I added that on both sides. So you're going to just continue to pat or pack until it looks nice and even, okay? This is a matte eyeshadow. That means it's not shiny or anything, and so the more you tap it, the softer it gets, and so that's super important. I'm going on the other side and add a little bit more of that light pink, and as you can see, that came out so cute. Looks really, really good. Next, we're gonna go back into the crease with my the first brush I used, just to kind of blend around it so the two colors could flow together and not look like it's patchy. I want it to just flow into one another. Next, you're gonna see me doing my eyeliner. Today, I'm using the Essence liquid liner. I haven't used this in a while, but I really, really like it. I usually use the pen by Maybelline. I love the pen because it's just an easier tool to use. But this is really a good liner. So you'll see me lining both eyes on both sides. Whenever you're using a liquid liner like this, knowing how to use the tool could be a little tricky because it could get sloppy real fast. I like the pen because it's way easier to use, especially for my students. Way easier to use. But like I say, this was an amazing liner. I'll link it in the description box below if you want to check it out. Once I did both sides, I went and put some black eyeliner at the bottom. This is the one I always use. This is the Essence Stay and Play Gel Liner. Same brand, different product. So the top is a liquid liner. The bottom, I always suggest that you put a pencil liner at the bottom just to protect your eyes. Liquid can get into your eyes and cause a big mess. Now we're going to go into foundation. I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Foundation in the shade Macao. And you want to make sure that you pat your foundation in. Patting the foundation in makes such a big difference. In this clip, you'll see me saying my mantra. I do not swipe, swirl, or drag on the skin. It's super important that we pat the foundation in because it's definitely going to give you a smoother finish. As you can see, it's looking really, really smooth. No dragging, swirling, or swiping on the skin. We pat. Pick up, put down. Super important. And I love this foundation. It looks so beautiful on my skin. It's an amazing match. The formula is awesome. Let me know if you guys have tried it. If you haven't tried it, definitely go to Sephora and get it. I'm not sure if you guys know, but you could go into Sephora and ask for a free sample. Like, ask them to match you and ask them to give you a free sample. Just so that you don't just buy a bottle that's not your right color. You could get a few samples as well. But this is a beautiful formula. I absolutely love it. I don't put as much foundation on my forehead. Look at me. And as you can see, the difference. It looks really nice. Next, I'm going in with my Born This Way Too Faced Concealer. This is in the shade Butterscotch. I'm going to put that in the designated areas to highlight my face. And then next, you're going to see me blending that out with my Velvet Powder Puff. Okay. Let me know if you guys want me to upload the highlight, foundation, and contour that I did on this particular look. Next, I'm taking some eyeshadow and I'm putting it underneath the eye. That always complete the look for me. Plus, I have some natural creasing underneath the eye. Whenever I don't have makeup on, my eyes crease at the bottom. And so I always like to put a little shadow underneath there. It just ties the whole look together. And it also camouflages my creasing. Next, I'm going into a lip liner. This is the Hot Cocoa liner. I'm going to line my lip pretty heavy to create an ombre lip. I'm also going in with my Versatile Matte Paint in the shade Pink Lace. It's so pretty. I also added some gloss and it was nice. Girl, let's get into the lashes. Beautiful. Turned the look all the way up, okay? Turned it all the way up. I took my hair down. I sprayed my face with some setting spray. I took my hair down. I went curling my hair, took some pictures, and baby, this the look. Bye.